So plastic surgery is very invasive. What about the less invasive procedures, say microdermabrasion, Botox, any of that stuff? Raise your hand.
Well, I haven't done that.
Oh my God. Do I look plastic or something? I mean,
Not
my
at
face is
all.
still
No, not at all.
What, much better than mine. And maybe
I can't. Maybe I should
So it is
reconsider.
Yeah, no, I can't. Whatever you had done, your adjustments are obviously very minor, which you didn't go
perfect.
drastic.
Yeah.
It
No, I
doesn't-
have a good dermatologist. I have one of those dermatologists who's like, no, it's not time. I'm like, give it to me now. But no, you guys, what about, I know you don't need it, but would you consider it?
I would.
You would?
I would. I would consider, again, those minor adjustments, like if for some reason I noticed really large bags or hooding, I would have those adjustments made.
For more information on the show and the co-host, log on to aspire.tv/exhale.
Follow our show on Twitter at ExhaleTV.
Stay connected to Exhale. Like us on Facebook /ExhaleTV.